the phone calls, the emails, the drop-ins from members saying, we need people, we can't find them. Typically, our Wayne County Manufacturing Day has about 600 students, and we take them to 18 different manufacturers in our community. And so it's just about building awareness, trying to make sure that the students know before they make that decision, whether they're going to college or even if they're planning to go to college, to know that there's great opportunities right here in our community. So in that, they get to select which manufacturers they want to go visit. And then we also do a very similar program called Healthcare Day, where we take them out to different healthcare providers and make sure that they're aware of those opportunities. Usually we throw all the students together from all the different school districts in one gym and do the whole program. So we were not able to have that in 2020, unfortunately. So we wanted to do something to help our local employers. And then what really kind of pushed us to do this was the phone calls, the emails, the drop-ins from members saying, we need people, we can't find them. We had created a Facebook page about Wooster area job opportunities. So we were doing that for quite a while, but we knew we needed to do more. So we sat here and we tried to come up with, what can we do to be helpful? How can we make sure people know about the opportunities here in Wooster? So we thought, okay, what if we do a publication and we use, all of the outlets that we have? So we put together the booklet, we advertised to our members, made sure that they were all aware of the opportunity. We worked with our local newspaper here in town and they printed it for us. We just paid for the printing. So they inserted it into the local newspaper here for our community. It was sent to every single school district in Wayne County, both digitally, and we dropped off paper copies as well. So the goal was to try to reach as many people as possible. We also sent it to 16 local universities to try to hit that college market. We posted it on social media and it blew up like crazy. We had 40,000 views pretty quickly, to the point that a news channel in Cleveland actually picked it up, talked about it on the news, and then also posted it on their website, not only listing all of the businesses that we're hiring, but also had our entire publication on the website. So it was the chamber brand out there. Since then, what's really cool is we've had a lot of the colleges that we had reached out to and shared that publication with, now contacting us. So we've had several meetings with them talking about how we can continue to get them engaged and build those relationships.